People often think doggies can't do music. Let's show them that you can do music. All right, go. Let's do some doggy music. Well, and that's what they call the clong clong music style. And clong clong music can only be performed by doggies. And all you need is some doggy ice cream, a dog, and a bowl. And then you have the clong clong doggy sound.